Clean out the back. You guys all fucking ass. I'll try to get the file. After this game, we're gonna swap sides and run it back.
Okay.
Right by the truck, right up the middle.
His mom's hot, guys, by the way.
What's that?
That kid right there, his mom is hot.
Good to
That
know.
was a little random.
I think he was just trying to piss him off.
This morning, she thought.
That's never random.
That is much needed info. Intel is very important in this, and that is intel. We protect him so we get brownie points on him.
Yes. That is right, sir. They're all gonna be up there. Don't even worry about it. You like how I'm just walking? I know where everybody's gonna be. Woo! That was awesome!
I will give whoever threw that major props.
That was amazing! I just saw that.
Epic kill anyone has ever got on me.
Watch out. Hit! That was awesome! I hope I got that on fucking camera. I hope I got that on camera.
I don't even believe that just happened.
That I just saw that. I just saw that. I'm like, what is that? I stopped for a second and just went, boom.
I watched it the whole way. I thought nothing of it because it's a thunder
Yeah, it
bee,
was
and then
a thunder
fucking
bee.
popped and shattered BBs all over. Fuck me.
Dude, those things are so fucking unreliable, the screw ends.
I don't know the timing. That was like one of
That
the.
was, I just saw that come right
I don't
over.
play anymore.
Hey, you might want to take your barrel blocker off there, bucko.
That's right.
It would have shot
There's
there.
someone right over there. Someone got us.
Johnny got shot. Did I hit you? Hit!
You over there?
I don't know where the hell he was.
Someone right down there.
That was fucking amazing.
I don't believe that's an age.
That was amazing!
How long is the respawn?
I can't
Just
go.
keep going.
I've never seen that.
About 5 seconds.
A grenade just comes flying through the air. I'm watching it the whole way. It's coming right at me. I figured it was going to land on the other side of the wall.
When you ran across there.
It came over the wall,
And just came.
flew up this high, right in front of me, and shot BBs everywhere and got me. And I was like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. That was just a ghost bomb throw over everything.
I'm gonna have to check that. I'm gonna put that on there.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Hey. I'm too busy being amazed right now.
When you ran across there. Didn't see that. Look at I started going all the way around.
Yep. I got you.
I think I saw someone way down there.
There's somebody.
Either that or the good.
Take it bad. Oh shit, sorry. Come on. Hi, Josh. Come on. Hit! Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry.
You got me?
That was me.
Yeah.
I was just
in a
kind
good spot, too.
I know, I was coming through the doggy door and I just saw legs.
I remember, if I'm facing that way, I should be.
Yeah, I know, but people were moving over there too, so.
Let's roll, guys.
You're recording right now, right? Gray Arc Airsoft. Facebook if you got that kill.
I got you. Hey, Josh. I'm gonna put that on, I'm gonna link it from, Stronghold too. Yeah, I'll get you later. Where is he? Hit! Who was bitching and moaning about getting hit?
I was lying down in front of that building, I was in the truck there, everyone else got shot.
Hey, don't take a lot of skills to get behind the fence. It's something. That's a small house, man.
Where are you, Johnny? I saw your laser. There's one right back there. You peek out? Home. Yeah, that was a ricochet. Do you see him? Stay there. Where is he? Far left. Right here.
Yeah, because you know the fence is over there?
Yep.
It's over there.
Okay.
Both corners too.
Yeah, we're stuck right here. Hit! Hell did it hit me from? Must have been a wrist there. Dude, don't shoot it like that.
Hey, do you know how to work the gun?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
I don't know. I have BBs in there, but they're like not coming
Battery's
out.
not there. Did you guys take our battery up there?
No.
I got a Renfield gun, so.
Yeah, come here.
I have no idea. I'm head down, so.
See that?
Yeah.
Wind it.
Oh, you never told me that.
I'm gonna be still. Fucking hot.
It is hot. Yeah, you should be good.
Thank you.
Johnny! Johnny!
My sling.
What happened?
You know how I was holding onto a melt piece? The melt piece came out.
Oh shit.
I don't know how.
Did you break the gun?
No, the gun works fine.
Okay.
No, I was